In this video, I'll show you how to turn on and off the silent mode on your iPhone 16 Pro Max. So let's get started now. With the 16 Pro Max, you have this action button that controls or can't control your silent on and off button. So by default, if you didn't customize it, you can simply press and hold and it will enable, as you can see, your silent mode or turn it on. And then if you press and hold again, it will turn off the silent mode again, on by pressing and holding. And then if you press and hold again, it will go ahead and turn it off. And if you didn't want to do that, you can also go into your settings and also do that as well. And under action button, you can make sure it's set to. The action button is set to the silent mode, so it can do that. And if you didn't want to use that for that option or set to something else, what you can do in order to turn on and off the silent button is go ahead and take a look at sounds and haptics right here. Once you click on that, right up top here gives you the ability to turn on the silent mode or turn it off. So if you want silent mode, just simply tap on that. You'll also notice there's an icon right here that indicates whenever it's in silent mode. And then when I turn that off again, it will remove that. And that indicates the silent mode is turned off. So that's how you turn on and off the silent mode on your iPhone 16 Pro Max. If this tutorial was helpful, please let me know in the comments below this video. And for more helpful tutorials, you can check the links in the description.